You feel me? Man, you feel me? You feel me? Got them shrimps in there too, man. Make sure y'all season them shrimps. I know y'all, I be seeing y'all in them videos just throwing them straight in the skillet, man. Put some seasoning on them. Yeah, good binding agent in there, man. Put a little mustard, my man said. A little bit of mustard. Coat that chicken up real good, man. When I gotta wash my hands, that's what I use. Outdoor Soap Company, Cedar and Chocolate Scrub. Shout out to Chef Shanko. Literally, Chef Shanko. Yeah, man. Appreciate you, Farmer E. The good. El Cabrones. Yeah, man. Good chicken, bro. Yeah, let that cook down a little longer, though. You feel me? Till it's shredded chicken. Right now it's chunks and whatnot. See, I still gotta mix it, but it's busting. Just know that. And it smell like how it look, hidden. Yeah, that's it right there, man. Yep. Good shred. Shred gang. Come on, man. You know I had them shrimp and they crispy. Hold on, man. I got to try one. Get over here. Oh, not him. Almost forgot about them bell peppers, man. Need them. Good extra flavor and calories and good health and all that good stuff packed in these little babies. I'm gonna cook them up and take away more than half of the nutrients, but they still gonna be good. Yeah, them tortillas heated up, by the way. You can see it. Watch when I sit them on the plate, okay? All right, watch this. Condensation. They steaming. You see that condensation on the plate? Yeah. Cook down. I like it when them peppers cook down. Drop them on in there. Man, made my own guac with the tomatillo in there. Yeah, come on, man. You just gonna slap that in there, steaming hot. Yep. Let's go over here to the shrimp. Open up. Open up. Oh, man, look at them in there. Come on, bro. Cheese melting just right. Come on. Look at that.